With the time, we are getting some surprises as Galaxy Z Flip 5 is all out. And we are looking for one of the biggest updates yet available on the flip phone. Flip 5 is out and we have some exclusive information about it. Not just cover display, but the features on cover display are too big to handle. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is all out and there are the new official pictures of Z Flip 5. And by looking at it, these looks more like a marketing images for Flip 5. And things to notice, it confirms two things about Z Flip 5. First, the cover display comes with a folder design, which I will explain. And second, Galaxy Z Flip 5 one half is all black, so this time we only get one colored side, the other side will be all black, which means no bespoke edition this year. Now there are a couple of details about the Z Flip 5 cover display. It will come with the 3.4 inches in size with the 720 into 748 pixel resolution, and interestingly comes with only 60Hz refresh rate. Don't get me wrong, the inner display of Flip 5 will going to come with a 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung didn't just put the bigger cover display on Flip 5, but they are going to collab with Google to give us the customized version of Google Apps just for Galaxy Z Flip 5, including Google Maps, YouTube, and even Messages, where now you can look up to directions without even unfolding the Flip 5. Also, you can watch videos on external display and even reply to a message. Samsung added support for Samsung Keyboard, which you can use to reply messages. Also, we are going to get a couple of new widgets, and now you can browse the web on cover display, a complete package and support for bigger cover display. Also, Flip 5 was spotted online before with the new software, where we are going to see One UI 5.1.1, which is the biggest update after the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra. And by getting this new software, the new updates are coming to stock apps and flex mode. The reason for flex mode update is because the new hinge cannot freeze stop, so Samsung has to update the flex mode. The batteries of Galaxy Z Flip 5 is something we need to talk about, as they were spotted online and the rated capacity of the Flip 5 battery is 3700 mAh, same as last year, but it will last longer than the Z Flip 4 because Flip 5 is coming with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is much more power efficient than the previous generation. So we can say about 2 hours more battery backup on the Flip 5. Also, you can use light mode to even extend the battery on the Flip 5. The performance of Z Flip 5 is no concern with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and let me tell you, this one is an overclocked version of a normal Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is clocked at 3.36 GHz, and it already outperformed the Galaxy S23 Ultra by a small margin. So great news for long-term users. Samsung changed the location of Galaxy Z Flip 5 launch, and for the first time, Flip phone is going to see two events. The first one will be in Seoul, South Korea, which is going to happen on 27th of July, and second one will be in US, which will going to happen on August 11th. But you can pre-order the phone the day it will launch, hopefully on 27th of July. If you are concerned about the durability of Galaxy Z Flip 5, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.